Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a MetaTrader 4 Real account. First, you need to download the MetaTrader 4 platform from your broker's website. Look for the download section and select the version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the MetaTrader 4 platform. You will see a login window where you can choose to create a new account. Look for the option that says Open a new account and click on it. This will guide you through the account creation process. You will need to select the option for a real account, requiring you to provide necessary information like your name, email address, phone number, and country of residence. Next, you need to fill out the application form accurately. Ensure that all information is correct to avoid any issues with account verification later. After filling out the form, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions required by your broker. Once you have reviewed everything, submit the application. This may take a few moments for processing. After your application is approved, you will receive an email with your account details. Make sure to save this information securely. Finally, return to the MetaTrader 4 platform, enter your new account number and password, and click on Login. Congratulations, you have successfully created a MetaTrader 4 Real account and are ready to start trading.